Hey there, my name is Jessica and I'm a Senior Instructional Designer at LandingAI. In this video, I will show you how to create an inspection point in LandingEdge and run inferences on images uploaded by Application Programming Interfaces, or APIs for short. In LandingLens, I've trained my model to detect license plates on cars. Now I want to use LandingEdge to run inference on my model. To do this, I need to create an inspection point. I'll give it a descriptive name that will help me remember what this inspection point is for. Now that I've created an inspection point, I'll add settings that will tell it how and when to run inference. First, I'm going to set the image source, which tells LandingEdge where to get images from for inference. I want to run inferences on images I upload by API, so I'll keep the default Web API selection. Now I need to pick any number between 7,000 and 8,000 to be my port number. LandingEdge will monitor this port number for new requests when my inspection point is running. I'll go ahead and enter 7001. The Allow External Access setting allows other devices on my network to send images to the Web API endpoint. I only want to use one device, so I'll skip this setting. The Inspection Start setting determines what will trigger LandingEdge to run inference. For Web API, the only available option is Self, which means that calling an API triggers LandingEdge to run inference on that image. To connect the inspection point to my organization in LandingLens, I need to add my API credentials. I already generated my API key from LandingLens, so I'll paste it here. Then I'll click Connect and select my project that has the trained model that I want to connect. Next, I'll connect to the model by choosing Download from LandingLens and clicking Select to load my model. LandingEdge automatically loads the model. The communication setting allows me to connect my inspection point to a programmable logic controller, a PLC for short. Since I don't want to do this, I will skip this setting. I want to save all images captured from LandingEdge so that I can save images back to LandingLens. So I'll keep the default image format and folder images will be saved to, and then select the Upload Results to LandingLens checkbox. If I select this setting here, my inspection point will run each time my Windows computer starts. Since I'd rather manually start my inspection point, I'll skip it. Lastly, the custom processing settings allow me to customize and apply automations using C# and Python scripts. Since I don't have any scripts, I'll skip this as well. Okay, I'm ready to save and run my inspection point. I'll open up LandingEdge Swagger by going to this website and appending the URL with 7001, which is the number I entered earlier to be my port number, and /docs. Now I'll start to send images to my inspection point one at a time by expanding Images API, clicking Try It Out, selecting my image file, then clicking Execute. The inference result displays, and I can see that the model correctly predicted a license plate. In LandingEdge, I can see the real-time processing of images and live predictions made by the model. I want to run inference on another image, so I'll select another image file and click Execute. Great! My model correctly predicted a license plate again. I can continue to run inference on more images, or open my project in LandingLens to retrain a new model with these images. Check out the LandingAI Support Center and community for more information.